Hi, welcome to SADESIGN channel. I'm going to show you the way to match color in Photoshop. First, use Quick Selection tool to select the sky, then press Ctrl-Shift-I or Command-Shift-I to invert the selection. Click to select and mask. Use the Refine Edge Brush tool to make the selection more accurate on this area. Increase radius to 4 pixels. Check the contaminate colors and decrease the amount to 50%. Output new layer. OK. The sky is now removed. In background layer, go to File, Place Embed. Place this photo. Ctrl-T to adjust its position, just to make the sun only appears in the sky. Pick up Clone Stamp tool, Sample Current Layer. Right-click to its background, choose Rasterize Layer. Hold Alt and take the sample of the orange sky, then remove the tree. Create Curve Adjustment Layer. Pull down mid-tone to darken the image. Click to this icon to clip it to the below layer. Create another curve adjustment layer and darken the image even more. Clip it. Press Ctrl-I to invert mask from the white to black. Use white brush. Paint on the areas you want to increase the shadow. Adjust the opacity to 30% to make smooth transition of the light. Create color balance. Clip it with this icon. Adjust the amount as you think it suits your style. In mid-tones, red 29, blue -32. In shadow, blue -19, red 45. In highlight, red 17, blue -27. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E for Windows or Command-Option-Shift-E for Mac to create a stamp visible layer, which is the combination of all layers from the current layer. Head to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. Right brightness 90%. Adjust the lens flare from the sun. OK. Create a color lookup adjustment layer. Drop menu in 3D LUT file down, then select Late Sunset. Change its blend mode to soft light. Adjust opacity to 70%. Enjoy! Hope that you like this tutorial. Hit like and leave comment in case you want me to clarify something on this clip. Thanks for watching.